Welcome! In this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through how to see tweets from a specific list on X, the platform you might still know as Twitter. If you're looking for an easy way to organize your feed and focus only on certain accounts, lists are one of the most powerful features you can use. They let you group together accounts and view their posts separately from the rest of your timeline. Here's how you can do it with just a few taps. First, open the X app on your phone. Once you're on the home screen, look toward the bottom or side menu, depending on your device. Tap on the menu icon, which usually looks like your profile picture or the three-line menu option. From here, you'll see a section dedicated to lists. Tap on it, and this is where the magic happens. Next, you'll be able to view all the lists you've created, as well as any that you follow. Simply select the list you want to check. For example, if you made a list for tech news, sports updates, or your favorite creators, just pick that one. Once it's selected, you'll immediately see a feed made up of tweets from only the accounts inside that list. Now it's time to scroll. Just like your regular timeline, you can move through the feed to catch every tweet posted by the accounts included. This gives you a clean, focused space to read updates without the noise of all the other posts on your main feed. And that's it. Those are the simple steps. Open the app, tap on the menu, and go to your lists. Select the one you want, and then scroll through the tweets. It's really that easy. Using lists on X can save you time and keep your feed organized, whether you're tracking news, following hobbies, or staying connected with specific communities. Try creating a few lists that match your interests, and you'll never have to worry about missing valuable updates again. So go ahead, set up your lists, and enjoy a more focused way of browsing X today.